cancel or save data. We have two different ways to save data in PowerApps: SubmitForm, which updates data that you have updated or added via an edit form. The other option is the patch function. The patch function will give you the ability to save data when an edit form is not used. Let's learn more by watching the following video. Let's insert two buttons. Select Insert, then Button, from the menu at the top of the screen. Change the text property value of button 1 to Save. Now, change the text property value of button 2 to Cancel. Select button 1 and navigate to the OnSelect property value using the property drop-down. Enter the following formula. The SubmitForm formula will add or update any information that you have added or changed via the edit form. It's a quick and simple method to use for data patching. Select button 2 and navigate to the OnSelect property value using the property drop-down. Enter the following formula. This formula should now be familiar. We have changed the form back to view mode to prevent further edits. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.